Yadam SOMPA 106.5 Ghana de Shama Mamuina Moha, everyone was so Saria from Tobacca Sebo, Yabopo, no free Yamahano. Yadanina Echi Edamamona Shannon Swine. Sir Cassana Tramino water, Wadin Sucroje at Ayachi, a fay perfect baby diapers and so, yes, Yabatan way. Monto di papa, Babuama Quadano, Wamoton Wayamoton, Nafe rushes be a mammagoon. Na, and watching Haja special foods and so, what do you do on a patayachuna? Point homeopathy clinic in ye ayaresa fie papa I know SOMPA 93.1 wa Santa Mantem Kopo Kumasi woko Paris France at Bochimemua aya adanfo radio doma 100.7 one ma febi doma himkru afen kroza SOMPA 90.7 106.1 yatachiman woko sunyane ya SOMPA 98.9 ena mankasimo so kingdom ewo honom one ma fakase boyi 106.1 eno mankasimo kana shaban radio kana hey and na decoder no so ya SOMPA FM ne marefi se wo ko eye Facebook no so a aya bosha wono SOMPA 106.5 Accra SOMPA 106.5 Accra YouTube no so yetem www.sompaonline.com e won nyina so no kase boyi ye kruche de akwo ma benya binu wakenkan na wo ko SOMPA 101.1 a e won na manager obapa kachire wono ebutuo e wotakwa wono so afakase boyi a yedam e wo hono ade hye no etie bie ansamodo a awiabre yede ebram wono die ebedi mu akote no edoso pa neni animu no ebini se
Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly Womo officers ahodo miensa amanebo ayensa kanese womo prepra pa demolition bi koso ewadum nam so amanfo bi ese womo mpene enyasem ketoa
Sanso ya tese abrantie bi akwa wi abobo ya yede na kwa akotum afe baako abosuminsia
Kane panyini pa no oda nafco ano Ewura Hanan Abdul Wahab yensa aka amanebo sese ade iyokofo womo agya ne se wonkofi
Sanso na so ye won mo shoma Ghana ngoma so an samso de abase bole senior high teacher ne nu a woni akoda e wo science lab no ena ne kine yada e wo se e kire no
Ghana AIDS Commission womo ahyebo se nyame yadom a womo ahyase hwe se womo nsabeka antiretroviral medication bi ene niema hodo bi ebetimi aboa ma womo nya yade ni bi no yede ebesoso womo asenenti na wotwe nan ye da yenimi womo expect sa supplies no
na Sierra Leone man no so ade proja bia baga na ban yensa ka bie se wo pese wotu kwan ekọ Sierra Leone man mu a ye wo apomden hwehwemu bia e wo sa wo ye
Oswofo a wɔhye akwan ne akwantempɔn ensem so wonam apro ewo asikuma eye framantem hono ba bi de bi kopie mu wapue mantem nsem ahodo pii ena wobobo so
na ekuo bia wo fro se Ghana First Alliance wo mo abo won mo se shashasha de ama ban no efra genesi a won mo sie efa South Africa eman no ho
NPP amanyoko no wo mo de abetu dwase se eniema hodo bi wo hono mo a esese wo mo ye wa manyoko no nyina no ya hobo a wo mo de hia fimpinu ene adurunu abato na emom flag bearer ho nsensem ne de wo ma cheche niema ni so kakra de akire party ma no
na yebro wo se chairman sabun sunsuo susu bribi de aba wo se brani ni o se NPP amanyoko mo tena se na mo hyehyɛ mo niema yi anya sade a ebekọ de etia mo a
yebeko na Numba North na abeto dwase assembly members bia ewo empotem ho no wo mwanya 1000 bags of fertilizer or yes asase ye bia ni nyina no eka feed Ghana program a aban no ede abasen ena emunchiremu etie
sanso anakuafo won mo ye kofi ho dwumade wo kunsu ba ne ekromo ade ato aban no wanim sa coffee production no aban amwa bie na eho dwumade entumi ntumpon
Weyi ene ensema hodo bi ya manone de eka ho ena ye bekenkan ede ama wo seprem to breka se bo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra wakenkan fo no midin ADWOA ASARE mene
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade buatin
afei ensem no enchiremu ankasa enie ye hyase ewo Asante Mantam Kumase Metropolitan Assembly KMFo wo mo officers ahodo miensa na manebo abeto dwase wo mo koye demolition dwumadie bi ewo Cocoa Board building no a ewo adum no eben asafo overpass no enra na saa demolition na wo mo koye ye no wo mo kire se de eniema ahodo mpatadan ye omanfo sisi esi kwan mu bia ye ni permit ni ekukuru structure ni de esi ho ne nyina aka ho bi na ama Kumase honom ne ho abo apeso a wonya ba bi kura no wetia afi na nsemu ansuo yi etotototo yi wo mo ye se wo mbesiesie krom ho yi niema adan ne kios ahodo a ensi ba bi esese esi nyina wo mbedwiri ade afiri ho se de be ya ekwan ni mu betimi ada ho na ensuo to a ankwankoyiri amfanfo manfo ntie ne wo mo hyeda task force ronko se wo mo nkonkohwe na saa demolition no wo mo nkoye ho adwuma na Kumase Mayor Yera Richard Ofori Agyeman Buadi adodo no afre no Kinzuba wono na na edi saa project no animu a wo mo koye no omanfo anu wo mo enniema na ye saa kiosk ne containers no ne empatadan na wo mapagedi esi ho no wo mo kire se baabi esi na assembly no na ma wo mo permit di besi ho ebi mo so kire se ehwa na wo mo nya wo manu aduane edi bi hwe wo mo ho ne wo mo ma enti se wo ba bedwiri saa dan na agu saa container na wo ba bedwiri agu ene emfidi akese bi excavators ne ade ene de ko ho a enya asem ketoa enti se bibi saa bekoso pa na wo manu aduane no bebo mo de a enya ade a wo mbetwe kranti wo mo yesa wo mo resist arrest ene ade a ne koye akasa na mentem ho asenam so ema yesi officers ne kora de miensa wo mu epra ya na esese ye pe baabi ede wo mo fa na KM boss wo mu wie program no wode nsem kakra etuja.
We are making sure that structures that are illegally placed in areas that give the environment negative impact are cleared, especially those that may have impact on drains and water. And you agree that the swimming drain is just around that particular area, and we want to go and silt particular portion, but then we have come to identify a lot of illegal structures. And so intention is to clear them. Once we're able to clear all these buildings, sanitize the area, and then have access to areas that we silt and desilt, just so we can prevent flooding.
Owura Richard Ofori Agyeman Buadi wono ena eye Mayor ewo Kumase na yete ne kenwachi omanfo ni bi etimpotem ho a wo so eho kaaye ewo saa demolition ye kosu wo mo kire sensase no enya wo mo na esore kwa ene wo mo kogye nsase no de containers kosi ho eye nsase a wo mo nam kwa papa so ne mra kwan so ene wo mo gye ye enti se ne no obi be ka se demolition ti wo ba bedwiri ni pakro no kiosk anase ne container anane dan bi esi ba bi egu a na ene assembly no wo mo ni wo mo ani ni ye kwa eno so sei ene wo manfo no etwiremu
asasi wenu ya bano ya me first asini free ye kwesi mpanifo bi so ana ye kuti esgama wo mu ana amudi ya ne de dey adima yen that's no na akro na di bola chali bi atimi ntamu wa akrofo kwere na gu ese aye po da we wi ye no ya tigi ya kiri ya nyina ana akrofo wa yo aso adate na so obi ti wasa aseso na so fa usu betunya amra gana mra chese awo so ma metam awo ba ko me ma ba ya na te mi to so na bi go echi be se so ba ba fa na me bi so ni so ni me nyama.
Wei eyo manfo bi a wo so eho kaaye ewo demolition no ekoso ewo dum no e na wote se wo ne yama ne boni be wa beidu edi nkomoyi.
I was sure the Cassiabona consultant and Sutano such a central mensem was Santa Mantamu. I want a baba the Jassa Circuit Court here, one of no ashe, a branty bia. When you fish no a dunkono Baba Al Hassan, so one concordat about Prochi, I was so many dumoche, nurse a fair any abosumi in Sia. Now, quite to nature, one nature say, Wakaku ya, Obia Boboya, ya, and Yana Diana Wafa, said what they elcro. A bra, Pium Panini, his lordship, Simon, in Katia Gaga, Watana, a Jamuno, and a something na. A detective chief inspector Peter Wadia somebody about 2 ja etro say one more a branch be a friend say ASARE Bismarck one young Finchano aduonu na abobo ya bi ni wotwie na won mo kyese wotwie abobo ya no e wo mampon ekwan no so won mo baabi na anajo wa pake na abobo ya e de esi won registration number e M-26-AP ya edwene ne ho e na won mo hu se abrantie bi mu a waba maso ya dase wode ekro enti adeche ya wo sore ye se wo konnyuma so akwa ye adwuma na wokodu ne se abobo ya ni ho wo pen baabi ya enante mu akotachimentia adebachi wobati ase wo wode ma adebachi ase wo ha enti wone namu a na wokohunu se abrantie ya wanya mfinsha ne dunkran ena se wawia abobo ya no a ama enem sunti no na ne aye ntotontoto enti wode asam no kokoda mampon aposifo edi echire kokoche abrantie ye friend se Baba Alhassana wanya mfinsha no edunkran wono ena eda ye Facebook isuyi na asam no didi mu ma ekokopie court ena se nayi insuta circuit court ahye se won kwankoda Adamu Prochi emfinhia no edu enwoche won fanya mponkodwuma emfanka wo ya abosomi du nwoche mum na onye mponkodwuma wo china bie mo fremu fia wo de bega de suade pa ya enya de obi ade mpo da wono a obewia ebiem na woni nipa mienu ena won kodi se adwuma no nipa mienu a won ka won ba ko de Jalilu ena ba ko nso de kwaku na wo mienu de won matopia fa agyan ibapem ne enya de aposifo ensa aso wo mu enti koto gina so ya abrantie no wabua ne fo na ebra na asam ne kwaso ne yama ne boni Ebeneza wo so ansa awo hɔ no a wɔnam so atworo ne nyinaa ya wɔ kruchiye adebra sompa kasebo
Abeto Jase Kane Chief Executive Officer no the National Food and Buffer Stock Company NAFCO adwumekuo no ano Owura Hanan Abdul Wahab Aludiba Sesia de Economic and Organized Crime Officer atnaye ya ye chat nutia wafre no Iyoko no womo agya Owura no se wonko na wonko ka ne ho kani ni nabusuafo ho kwa na womu kire mu se yanse da amfa charges ahodo bia anka ne release no ehum amane bo ayensa ka ye ne se enra na adwo beye no nwotwe ekọ no nkro entem ho no ena ye release no na ye mani sam dada se na no ne ye kọche Owura no eye July ne da na etoso enan memene da no ewa Accra International Airport na wo boaboa ne ho se wotukwa kwama no ne na wakwakwaje ayarehwe ewo nani ehu na asem ne ba ye ne kora no aban lawyer panyi abedi echi ono kro ya ye soafo ya wo sha tentrene ensem so Dr. Justice Remsai edi betu Jase na obi a ye de criminal charges atu ni tiri so na nasam da court wa ye ni ye enwie ye de e ba ne sen e na saa court kro no a etimi clear no ma no ho kwan se wontu kwan enkwa ma no no wo kire mu so da bi send ye nipa no na pomde ho asam ne ye kan se na nipa no wo so wo yare wenya problem wonani enti akwantuo na wotu ne kura no court no e de mreto ho ebra wo be free Ghana any time wa wo mo expect se wo be free akwantuo ni ma ba bedru sansa asem ne da so wo court ntinka we kura pode enya asem huhu bia nso e ba ye no Dr. Justice Remsai e de atu Jase wono kura no won be san court ho back na wo mo akwa appeal sa travel enhyehyɛ ya na akwantuo hyehyɛ no a wo mo edema Hanan Abdul Wahab Aludiba no ye no ho asem wo ho nti release no achi no ena emranim ni edema Owura ya ye ka ne ho asem Godfred Yebo Adame e de atu Jase ne client no wo ye innocent ne ho so sa abrobe eti sa de no a wo mo ye de eti no wo mo ntutu o mana mo ye pa ena sa sese sa afin no abaso a ye die wo Ghana ha se bia wo bi eye amanyokuo bi member no wo opposition a na ne ho ba asem a won be seda na wo mo atete ndi na fati team apenda court akoniaba ne ye che no ne Rambo style ne sa ne manema no wo kire se ye kwa anim no de ese wo mo sesa wo mo strategy ni mu kakra na enema etimi ekonkan sei enamra nim ni no edituja.
He came up with all kinds of forces. The first being the point that Hanan attempted to withdraw money based on with the court ruling. The point was made: if a person brings the attention of a bank, a ruling given in his favor, to the effect that there is no freezing order in place, does that amount to an attempt to withdraw money? How does one withdraw money from one's account? It's not by the issuance of a check or by the signing of some sort of withdrawal note. Challenge the attorney to come up with the evidence supporting the alleged attempts to withdraw funds from Hanan's account.
Godfred Yebo Adame wono ene yemre nimni Emma Owura Hanan Abdul Wahab Aludiba ya kane na woye panyini pa woda NAFCO adwumeko na ye ka court wasem no Frederick Kumi ya dodo no a efre no abutreka aba beto odwa sesi ade abrewa ipuma kwemu ama extradition no enya abaso enti abutreka ye kasei woti plemu ya woko amanoni US ho no wakwakọ gina emra no ano e wo santansa no ayede ato ni tiri so se $8 million ya ni nyina na ye romance scam yibi ya boys no eye no ebi na wo mo e kire se abutreka wo ye enti was scamming crofo pa enya asem keto asa brain no wo mo ede no e kọ no wakwakọ gina mra no na wotwe nyina mu no ne mra nim ni Oliver Bakavoma wo na nani abre ne ho krapo se wono no wakontuom en wote se extradition ne beba so no wasu wo how e hwa na se wotototo niema no wo mutimi ba back na wo mo san kokoto ho kohwese sansam no akoto no de ba ye se abutreka no ye extradite na anka wo betimi asi ho kwan na anka aboa ne client ne ma enru akra ne beto dwa se abutreka no ya rush ne ko police hospital sanse ne ho mfa no anopai ya boaboa ye ho ababe news ya na nkrata e ba ya wo mu kire mu se Frederick Kumi aka abutreka anopai ya ena yede no si Delta Airlines mu ane flight number no DL157 enumu na wote ya kire se pua wo mo de no eko US ho no mu a wokwakọ gina emra no ano enti wo kire mu se saniema yi a ekokọ sui eyade bia ehadwene Oliver Bakavoma wo se wono kura ampo no sede ade na ye na gine nsem ade nsem wonim ekwan ye fa so asa wo ma fast track bibia ye ne tentem ama judge abetena asem no so ne wo kina yi a e di ruling abase ye extradite abrantie na sesi e de bia aduru no enya de se wo bibia eka biomunti se e bia Supreme Court kura no wo mo bekọ a anko wo mehwe se nko wo bekọ sesi ya wo ti play mu aye de ne ekoi Supreme Court no wo mo kọ a wo besan de na free US ho ababa ke se wo ma magina mara na akire ruling foforo ba wo ma san de na kwa na so wo beka ha eno de emre ene nkrabia ene be kire nti weyi eye kokobo ema emrantie ne maba wano a wo mo de enwuma enye sustainable no sikandi obenya na emomu widie mu ene ehun sunsuaso e be fire kira ba na ya na enye de enti sesi ade abutreka ensam aba beto odwa edi ahimu obia eka bie e wo social media no so eno no
afei ye ko ensam fufumu asoye won mo show my Ghana ngomesua won sam so ayi rahau na idrisu eta no wode adestrade ato Ghana Police Service anim se won mo nya ne ntempa na wiasim kokuru ne gyayi a keka nso be gyayi kire se enuema bone no a ekoso wo maimu yesuku ahodo mu no se etekwa a eyade se Ghana Police Service so won so be gyayi se won mo be ha dwene ewo safo no eso aka ho binti won mo de wo hyesonko ema se bolo senior high teacher ni no a woni akoda ya won so ko school ekokoda ye ewo sabio science lab no enani kire yada posifo mo honya ha sa teachani no won betumi a kire no wosanse entumi mada biara da sa teachani no betumi afa ne ho adi na wadwane akwakote ne mre bi achie no wasanso aba betena o my Ghana emu na 2026 Gallup National School Awards ehun dwumadi ana ekoso ewo maimu no na wopanyi pedi kotu dwakere se wobesere se enhwehwemu no enkontentem fama yei na afenso kurampro wo mu hwese sanioma no a ekoso wo school mu ene obati as headmaster woni ni shuku ni akoda adebachi as teachani wa oni akoda wakwakom yemiane ade no sanioma no nyinata yade full stop ebesito.
But your discipline must be progressive, and it must be one for which learners must pay for misconduct and teachers too must pay for misconduct. We've seen the example in Boli, unacceptable, shameful. So the police, we are watching you, and we are watching how you proceed with the investigation and how you go further to do the need of prosecution to deter that unacceptable behavior and conduct of a teacher.
Narraton kai ayo magana ngomesua so for yero haruna idrisu
Yetoa premto rekas yebono so ewo ensemfofro imu Ghana Ace Commission edi atu dwase na wotwe miensa eko eneya eda yenimi womo ehye nimu pa se womonsa ebetimi aka supplies ahodo asa supplies no HIV testing kit ni bi ka ho ene antiretroviral medication a eya womde ma womo manya babasokodi ewuo yade no ebie na womo echiremu ese na nsemu ntem womo a womo ba yaresabia na womo bepe sa enuro no ebinu ya na a shorty enanu yukura say recruitment for 1300 abeka hu de ache say pressure ne de ba na ebeba aban no eso. Director of Technical Services ewo Ghana Ace Commission Dr. Fred Nanapuku wadi atu just a procurement process ne kwan a wo mefa so a wo nsa beka sa medical supplies no akwa animu ye pa enti aka nkrata sem ka wo problem ewo nipadua mu se ye HIV nkwa de oba ya asabia ho no mo a ne esese wo de ma no wo mbehye na wo de ama yenti no.
The National AIDS Control Program had made a request to the Ministry of Health to make sure that these commodities are restocked at the central and regional medical stores. And processes have been initiated. And we are being told that we should be expecting some more of the commodities within the next 3 to 4 weeks. And so hopefully that will ensure and will forestall any possibility of stockouts hitting the country.
Dr. Fred Nanapuku Wonone, Director of Technical Services at Ghana Ace Commission.
I was here to area from Tobacco Bono so every SOMPA 106.5. Serilio Mino a de Krata Abaya Ghana. Australia one more shaman from Amfrajumedia so one more sa I can be. Na Kratamun Sam Kakra any. One more Abaman yesa and nay. Serilio Nabino and Nam one more pumdin in Maku Awadua. A war so at the Wasson Con a basse. A friend Yamia Dumua June Bosom de Tosso. A doom watch a deal crunina a year July Bosom ya woman a deal cree. Woman on the friend say mandatory health declaration process a bar. 1 month for 1 more 2 quine, every 1 month as a cross so ako cereal minimum, and a 1 more move for cereal minimum abba, 1 month as a cross no, 1 breakfast sans shen, 1 bed diso pepe, na abua. Nam soon to Ghana for my yacht Jenny, some more to quine the aqua cereal no, and was a sans shen with this of French wabra, and who enter chima, na a once and some cacra and ye. 1 was shall say and name come here say upon Dingy Mudru Mebia. Aya nani pepi noa and shada and fana sem here biasa into 2 quine. Now what catch on the 1 question upon Mudimo, and as a sabio yadia be any more February. Now 1 more fudger and yama the numa be a room. Now 1 more quack peppers beer. Just say whatever I drew no, not as a yasakra and a pomodino, and one some ACB can. And no cranakan will be ama 1 mashasia, 1 person 1 with 2 son and 1 suntino. Wouldn't yes, I hope so to quanquas a real mining one answer 1 health, travel portal, no wakoswo, not wash Eddie Janoso, na fei a forms I would one much as I would day. Don't sure no at your sum, 72 hours, and a bay and sana would ye 2 quine. And no any shama power woman be walk on sana or mamma seat number, and a QR code, baby, but me a gina ye diama womo. Nemo Musakobana said what the information are. Enya wanka some information just a one somewhere over choro and a wapum de one somewhere would be guano sakoban sa bibia near my woman no enya papa and now the bema woman penny would do really on mine more 1 barra such as a woman screen wanka sa only pedia now one say ya dear be woni pedia nemum 1 state our forms and so emra and who bedin a sunny sana efata one much as a share we won't be me frenchem na at me a boy almost answer woman who said nipa pinua at to quiet the abbas really on mine more 1 mapom de won samno ene ya baba ya de so de baba to o man so se won wan kasa hwe etua ho ka enu nti firi na de kwatin tontan etu nkwatwere de kyere nya de a sa brabo no so ri o man na bekoso na won mato so biem enti Ghana fo mpese mutu kwan munti asem no so pam no wo kyere bie no ankwankwa ya so twe amfa nkomamo ewo bi man so
wo ensem foforo emuno oswafo hwa kwan eni akwantempon ensem so yera governs Kwame Agboja ye kasei wakase de tia adwuma bone ya contractor ye di Asikuma Junction ko have kwan no ema no so wonye no se a na contractor we no wono hwan kora na supervise adwuma no nti wo ma ye adwuma bone sad na wode nsem we nyina etudwa wabra wone ne dom wo mo kwa probo ewo big push programs ahodo ne akwan ye hyehye asie nyina ye Asikuma Junction de no eka ho eho ena wo mo koye ye wode aprobo ne bi kura kopie mu ewepue mantamo ne mia ahodo bi se wo mo hwese de aban no edi ne sika ehyemu no eniema nyina ebetimi akoye ena wo se wo blame se contractor ne de ne ba akwan no so no se assembly ne wo mpotam ho no se MCU se DCU se inner rose fo se hwan department fo esese wo mo hye na ye supervise adwuma se adwuma no a contractor ne ye ne sa na esese wo ye nda bi so far as I dey ama we see contractor no wo kwan so nkwan de na wosisu na wo ye de ope eti na no ya won mu se de be ya se ye de adwuma ma contractor bi nsa ye de hye ne nsa obetimi ahwe no waye na eso aba mfaso no eno na esese se assemblies ahodo no wo mo hye na wo mo ye ne nsem wo de tu dwa ne bi ni.
The truth is that was one of the worst quality of work ever done. I wish the contractor was not paid yet, so that when we see the certificate, we just throw it away. Because currently, you notice when you are from Asikuma Junction, before First Guy took over, you will wonder whether the work has been completed or not. That is why you've never seen a line marking on it. But we paid millions of monies on it. We should be able to tell the contractor what you are doing is not right, because the money you are certifying is not your money. It's not the minister's money either. Neither is it the money belonging to the president of the day who will certify this. So it's very disappointing that 28 kilometers of what we have already paid for has to be done again, not because it has, lived longer than its design life, but simply because it was done extremely poorly by the previous contractor, obviously not First Guy. And if you don't get, but let's work harder. And this, as for this one, has nothing to do with any politician. Chief Director, Director of Urban Road, Director of Feeder Road, Director of Highways, it is your call.
And what she and now what should I say? And yes, the Kuma Junction Kwana problem abahu. A Dambai Bridge, you know, and also ye de Maripuma Enterprise Limited. Woman ye contractors are one more shares are Dambai Bridge in Ejumana aye. And also what the press a guru so pass a one share said the bear won't bet me a real project, you know, a bre ya a sefatemu na near SSS so ban for so more for what Otimantem winning nanon sono, and also say an honorable edituja.
These two bridges will be the longest bridges we have ever done in our country. Until we started a chairman for, this was the longest, about 1.5 kilometers. Until we started a chairman for, which is over 3 kilometers. And that is remarkable. And we are doing all this with our own resources. No amount of that is a loan we are taking from any other country. So Ghanaians must be proud that for once we are spending our own money to do this, we must be proud of it. And I think the contractors will be guided and helped as much as possible to deliver on time and then on budget and then without compromising on the quality.
Ene ya yekotie ye governs Kwame Agboja wono ene ye soafo a wo hye akwan ene akwantempon ensem so ma yemfiri eno so na yemfa ye ninkyeremu ewo ensem foforo emu eku a yefre wo mo Ghana First Alliance wo mo ebo Ghana ban ni tissue pa ne o mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ben ya baso pa se enano ya Ghana de hye bi kopie mu e wo South Africa man ni mu se wo mo kwa kodi pa na enkonko wiase ye kotogu wo mo so di wo mo mpabro ma ebi mu kura eto nanom wonse do na ye kan ho asem kankaka ne ese a na South Africa fo no wo mo kura wo mo hia foreigners no wo mo man ni so enti se ne Ghana fo bia be pie ho ne ye boa wo mo adenti ne wo mo ye sa de ne ne tit for tat na sese ebi koso enti ene nka Ghana ha na South Africa fo e wo ha yina ye mpam wo mo emo mo nko mu krom Elmafo bi edisa ofre ne bae no mampani John Dramani Mahama because Ghana de still no ayemfa ho ene xenophobic attacks no a ekoso e wo South Africa ha no ya de se Ghana ene sa aman no enkabo mu eda wo montam no eda so agina brane a enya asem ketwa na ena no na nkrata ba ya ye kire mu se yewura Cyril Ramaphosa o ye president e wo South Africa ho no na esase wo ba Ghana ha ba bedi dwumadi esurunku bi ya sa na sa visit na enkese se woba no enam sa xenophobic attacks ne de piepie free akire ba ye nyina nti no omampani John Dramani Mahama se enya de se sa visit no ebeba so eno na Ghana First Alliance fo akire se wo de mampani aye ne de ne kwasoa eno no ye kwa homa ne so na ye ne nana otu da akon akwakodi enkomo wono no ye lead convener ede ema ekuo no wosan so epre Deputy Communications Director Emma NDC amanyukuo no ye ne no eni nkomotew nana memo akwaba eba SOMPA kase so
that's what me do so na we catch on man say now say NDC
ne meka ye ne se wona oye lead convener Emma Ghana First Alliance for ena wo kuro ya nso wo san pre Deputy Communications Director Emma NDC ana enye sa right mo statement ya mo de ba ye ni mu nkomo na edie nti na mo kire se ekwan ya mampani de san hyehyɛ ne fa so efa Ramaphosa ne visit no mo se o mampani ayade ne kwan so ano no
na menda SOMPA na SOMPA kase ati fo nyina ase men penifo a etia abeto content bonds wase na nekase Ghana First Alliance so da se wakonya kase ya modiama ye miso abeni abria no ye de ensamba aya moton amezi nyina ase na kopon inshirama na ni mom de midi mu no hu se amamu bia no efe sebi wo mampani ana e kandifo a unya esu nyasabi esu edikan no eto de bia eyefe udano mo ejiramoa ana wakra esu a eto so no so to de bia efe udano wo ho owo ana to de bi nso a wanya ejiramoa na wanya owo na waye kraman sebi igne nim se kraman po nsen bi wo ho no mu na basen a obapo na wajemu eto de bi nso a nsen bi ba wo ni chi se ejiramoa na wajemu nemo etoda bia esa owo honhom no so pie esa se bia sensem no esa moduro ni ntino wo a wontime mpo wo a wontime emuna ne chiyi mu nemo mu ekase ok hun se osua omampani adana bi enei eye owo esuo no osua time was in phobia mo sha ase no omampani has been very diplomatic and one of the few presidents utemu se o jidi se enyema inya na betoyem na o jidi se abotre enso igi nkunimdie enti okoya mo fa so a mu edi sense mo no samo a ebo Ghana nkanko eba ye South Africa yamano ne ensem kan mu a lebom kam yakose na emabru na ewo South Africa na AKOSUA person fa Ghana de mum na omobuyen ebrain so ero na nso se omampani ekase de bi yentra no mama wo ye kawan fa ya betisa sabi nyese Ghana ya mafusa na afanyisa bodi na aka to bi ba mabu bi sun ka da kun konta ma wo ne na boso eni ko bi na sabi enya fe ye be kwa ba ko se ni ya tse ni efie ne mu mi ne ni so boni a ye sabi okwaya South Africa for air faso na woni Ghana fo bi aso wo de edibri fo bi air faso so boni a enya awa adibi mai eso no ana misuse eye president Mahama asori yi nti de krata ba bonte a na ye bo omampani abaso se wa magana fo ani entitu anka yensam atrese isu chere no emisu ebeba atrese se emri bi atwamu ana sebi ye fa Ghana ni enye hwea omampani bi aba ono susu yemu no odi bi ema Ghana fo but ye bo omampani abaso so me ye bo oswafo he ya mono nkita hudi enso abaso pomabo okudi to ablakwa nse ono se ne hihye mu no woni na swafo be bi akiri eye yewura de chikwesi omo so eye adwuma pa nse sense ne nam so a sa ginasi aba no se ebekọ enim papa na abadibiri mehu se so obetimi abo obibili bia wodibiri na se obi ankahia ontimi fama Ghana abaso.
Right. Na mi se ni nyina na wabo ne tofa no mugidi se yekọ anim de yekoso e wo South Africa na betumi asei enkitahudie se ne adwadie sensrahye se ne mabi etesa no betumi asei aman ne emienu ntemu a yentimi ensiesie ma ne nyeyi.
Oh, ni se de du hosa so ni se de du hosa ni ya president Mahama tie Minister Foreign Minister Okuyita Blackwater. In fact, President Mahama Ayubia or Sahu no or Sansu Bia Sankita who do a student of communications. In the name of the I think so fair better. As we speak, I dare say you can't omampenia or work with them. I will amamu to ye any imagine children and can't come. Senator Fratcher, one of the can. It's say President Mahama would say so now MCB in Kakra because the President Mahama compared to Trump. But of course, Oshimuswa free say President Mahama say na Mamwasie be MP, be deputy minister, be minister, be vice president, be president Kakra you are Tanos Apoye, ma obey president or call your opposition leader, what's the president? Meaning say President who we are no can say Nabako say mono. Sa akwadamu no wenya You know, I want to believe that the time you be a wouldn't be out the fact quite possible and the day I say, you know, because I will be able and before you know, yeah, you know, fire. Well, maybe I'll be a home, not for say, or your bar would be only a member will feel your boy not a yacht. Maybe I'm not your man, the Tampa for some who say, and just go home, you know, they will be beautiful in activity. I don't see this in terms of monetary value. Study for more than us. Was it last year or two? Only over 600 something million rand. Ghana, you buy a quarter of Sika South Africa for anything continues. It is about making twins and cry a bit of we don't play. Omuna, a benefit free on the Baham. Then Ghana for name meaning say and conclude. In fact, we have demonstration. Now, I just say yes, South Africa for. Yes, South Africa xenophobia. If you can give something your main through you without shop, you will fee. You just say, I'm not going to be South Africa yet. Name xenophobia now, more you know, and I be mind kaboom and you be mind cancro. So we are against South Africa xenophobia. We are not against South African people. And we did say, you're quite an opinion to them a year and conquer say, you're Democrat. But all the same, let's say, or make it these bold statements. That's South Africa fraud by whom said, no more, you know.
Nana we de branding ti ye jawa mo akono ye nhya wo campaign na ekosen ka ho asem sima ede ne danso entina esese omanfo ede sa di brand ma se deputy communications director.
Yo ma many can say Cecilia no I won't say NBC art no a party they believe in structures into to say NBC the no can say you need kind say obi a wo contest the campaign obeka kra ye the secular babontia Deputy Secretary, Mr. Fagba, the Sasha Fies will be in a campaign. Name will be sunny, the year. The mechanic say, near campaign, Millennial name will make up to be said, no correct. Senior, Nia, intent, say, Mecon, say, a year NDC in Kita will be able for Tinabi actually. And National Deputy Communications Officer of NDC, because we could as a CIO stage, let's see me campaign for the but you can see a consultation and dialogue. Name Emresu, not be Sa Pandora Boston, so be a hope I say, or the campaign. Meet them within there, one here, Ukraine. One in person, so campaign manager.
Right. Nana Mameno was saying, now na so nim se meye kora ma na aboro so edru ho a enyina ye de ho batim said the ofru dua pa na epia no enti no eno so de no enti edru ho no mo a ye besan ba ne aba bedi nkomo ne ahwese de enioma esifa eko na bibia entumi enko nkan enti no mayemfa unsi ha wie why ojina ha kora enti wate ye da sipi right. Ewusiafo panyini ya nene kodi nkomo yi eye Nana Otudakun wono no ye lead convener Emma Ghana First Alliance ku no ya wono kro ya nso wo se prese ebrenu dru ho a deputy communications director national Emma NDC amenyoku no obepese obekwa akopre di brenu bi ntie mu nkomo ena ye ne no ekodi ye no
abusane na yankwan pipi amanyoko ni mu akaba sananu na NPP amanyoko no so rakwa akoto abayi mpanyifo ahodo bi a womba boa party no mpuntu ne nkanko na anam so ama deputy general secretary Ora Haruna Mohammed achiremu se nei party no ehwe ni mu kwan se womde nhye mapa ebegu akwam na fei nipa obetu Frank Adia amanyoko no wono mo mbe ye nipa obedi amanyoko no ani mabre bia se party no wo power anaso ni power no eno ne ade a wompese wono ye no mamamra no womo ye nsakraye ewomu na fei emu sisudua edima party no ebra wapanyi pai won nsemtrofo edi nkomo ede afa ho no nensemu a okan ye ebini.
On the 19th of July 2025, the party was at Legon to consider a number of things, which included the amendment of the party's constitution, following Professor Michael Quay's committee's report to us and the various recommendations that were made. We considered a number of things, including the amendment of the party's constitution. We received a number of proposals, and after the amendment, we have received commentaries of certain portions that were not captured from the previous amendment. And in consolidating all those particular issues that have been brought before the party, in our last NEC and council meeting, this was tabled as part of the agenda for discussion, and the National Council approved.
watching no one man so one or the baba to just say Yami Aduma Memenda Ebe Yabatua, one baba to no, and so shall no Bibia at the Naquemsi.
Preparations are ready across the country. A number of constituencies we have few concerns. People are going to court and we are receiving certain court summons on some of the stations. The General Secretary is critically looking at all these particular areas and the rest of the areas are on the grounds. Electing materials, everything about it has been set in motion. Electoral Commission is ready. The Ghana Police Service is also ready. The various election committee have reported very positive news to us. On Saturday and Sunday, the elections
I was your way, NPP Amanyoko, Deputy General Secretary, Ora Hauna Mohammed. Na Anamu no Anna, Yera say Chairman Sabun, Sumrabia Chamono, Swami Rasibi Jenny Papai, one warrior chief of staff, the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, the campaign Timono, and now a day to Jaboko Quatra says NPP Amanyukono, one man ya one mushe ye. Now one man shasa party Namam de Yajman, and you may be on Mombasa Cremua, and she ya Dacha some will be piano, and then you remember Banaba Hadra Pa, Amamanyokun woman to me and Komuni.
Civil engines we have not really the leadership, the lead of the party to any particular person. People are saying that the last time around when we did the constitutional amendment, that position was now given to the chairman. There may be some conflict because you and I do know. Let me just 2 weeks ago, I think the Honorable the chairman of the NDC at a program referred to His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, as a leader of their party. I'm not sure that it's spelled out anywhere in the constitution of the NDC. He recognizes that he is the leader. Give her.
I was your way, you was say Chairman Sabun Sumrabia Chomo, no, your Swami Rasibi Jenny.
War and some for Emuno Nanumba North Mensin Assembly, no, a war. Mentifi dumantemuno omonsa or yasa see fertilizer MPKB apem 1,000 no ba beso akuafo asena wo nyina ehye feed Ghana program wa aban ede aba no ho na weni yese de be ye betimi aboa no wo de bepetepete wo no ba eso ma na so na food production ne ho asem ane ye ka no na etimi aboa makuayo atena ye ho no so no ensiachi ba bi aba ho no na MC ye oda assembly no ano Ora Abdul Somed Hamza Gurundo wono ena edi domno animu eni assembly no womde fertilizer ne bae no wono edi animu checheye edema omafo no si o sa enhise ya womde abai kura ampo no eye feed Ghana program no afen wo mashase a wo mu roll out nti we your fan di kan afen na program no ankasa no wo mu betintim na se e wo mansini ahodro no emu e wo man Ghana afa na ba bia se de be yakuayo no a aban no eka ho asem no eso ebetimi abanfa so enti we de na wo de ba ye wo mache e de ama ekuafo a e wo mpotem wo sei e na MC e de nsam to
our farmers are looking out to the government and its collaborators in the agriculture sector. The Feed Ghana program has dominated the various discourses in the agri sector within the country, and the municipality is no exception. Honourable members, I am assuring you that the program will commence in earnest this farming season, and the municipality has so far received 1,000 bags of NPK.
Nanumba North MC Abdul Somed Hamza Gurundo ena yetene nken.
Na ekrafo ya wonu ye kwafu kunsu ba na ye krom ye no hafo ano southwest mensini mu wasantemantemu ena ekoto aswi wo mo de adesrode eto Ghana banyanim se ewiasemo no ntakra na man ye kase ne druma bi a aya na takra ne bo no afanyina nkwatere kwakere se wonu adwuma wonu ye no asa obi nhye da mu enti druma bi amfaso a wonu nya ne kuma bi se kwako anum aka wo bi ama wonu koto asra ban se ne aban no waya ma koko enya bo koko gina na naso na koko akuafo ya so won mo soro no saa na won mo so kofe eho adwuma won mo ye o mai mu no aban no hwe so betimi aye bidia ma wo mo koba na saa no obeboa ama won mo dwumadie no atumi akonkan na ebra na won mo pa ba na ekrom Coffee Farmers Association e won to ma wo kunsu ba na ekrom no na wo panyi pa ya wodom eboa na wo ye tichine ni edema ekuyi Ora Isaac Amofa wono ade asemi tu dwa sabra ne amane boni ebeneze wusu ansa e won mo a watwe bibrezi
coffee to the because what is a coffee a cave man, they say that any pan price and yet I feel one no say na I feel the toilet to say I feel it was what and go ya in the pan 1 day. Think of man so better. Me am not doing so. Let on and go my head in some Friday as I was. It's no question let on it yet. It's not of 4 pounds, not of 4 pounds, but you're not of 4 really I been hanging out. Yana because one hour of coffee and never since I can't crave near to coffee. A bus here not of 4. I do my Yana one of the Japo, the only part of back as a coffee and car. Do I be Japo? I could be all not.
Na I know what you know, an assembly member here no bani Krumi Electoral area. One on one for Kingsley, Asare, one also at your foot to Emma Brunisi.
The member Mumunian said, and no farming ADWOA, you see, penny for an area, the giant idea man penny for Betentisa, and over should be a with you or Ghana in Nan, what a sana or what farm or he or she is into farming, and we peer the or year. It's not too members of who say, a year is our city Buaha, is our civil, it's no big of peso intent to farm in the Arano, for whom a year farmers now, or the Buamo, no way a year land. To me,
I was your way, I assembly member, ya no, our Bani Krumi Electoral area. One more for Kingsley, Asare, Amanaboy, Ebenezer Uswansa, and Edebesumi.
Yeka ose SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Suni Prem to breakfast ye bono eno ani that's why ye kenkan edema ye do kodoma hinkro na president awada Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association ano ewo doma hinkro chapter ho eye Madam Abena Hawa wasere pa se local assemblies ahodo no wo mo graduate apprentices for no said ye be ya anya bi kura ne se nipa no wo besua sa adwuma no wo wi a wo betimi aso asene se container wo se dryer wo se roller so se den wo mo de bebo nipa na ma no so etimi establish ne ho nansa no adwuma na enye se nipa na kwa akosua wie kwa ye wo mo a wo mo hye da tro nso hwe kora wo ho MVTI enso hwe bi wo mo tro wo ho wahu eti se nipa ne wie na se ensa adwuma no wode tifie no wonya ba bia wo beye no ana akade na wode beye na eni ho a na ekame akwa esese bi adwumahu no ena nipa no wakwakoye no wabra woni yama ne boni kwakumensa abrampa edi nkomo no sei ena Abena Hawa edi tudwa
adwuma na ye ne tumwa cha adwuma akatua dia ni enso ye ne se nkura na da ati benya ba bia si na danwa hen enti sa problem yi hopa em se ye no afutu no ekoma be se madam tu be fo se be kono be nkotena ase nyema kakra na wo mbe sisi a wo mbe ye exams ben fa ono a na aban so ba ye ni so be ka ho tu be fo se na kwase ni fitimira kakra be no aban mu fu atwa ni ahaye pa maybe menka gaba for the yehu cheka krabi anye nyina kra ni be nya bi ni manyem nti susu se ehwe ni enti na se de tuba ni se be mo esa de no so se ye tunwa cha bi na nkra no be nkora na mo na nka be ntimi nya be a be so be ye
Madam Abena Hawa wono na ye president Madam Ahinkro chapter no eye Hairdressers and Beauticians Association no eno achi NVTI examiner yo no so wobo no mantem honom owura yire dosia opoku jamfi enso ede kakra eto aso
Ghana ha na ebi ani hu nyama bebre so amaya ho bebre no se uni class certificate chese ezuma wo ye no ampa wasua ya ma kwa ma wo ye enye bia ne se ekire ye hairdressing a na ya bebu ni dumani hairdressing so chemicals bebre wa hunu ya wa wuti pra wo client no so enti ama bebre wo ho no ma class certificate untumi enye ezuma wo ho like popo degree ha ya without certificate like MBTI no ultimate practice say we hairdressing na say mandatories
owura yire dosia opoku jamfi wono ena eye NVTI examiner ewo bono mantemu akwakumensa abrampa ena di amaneboyi ebae
abusia toa ensam no eso na kwabedi achemade adehye abusia ano wodoma istimensen wo bono mantem wo bahema ya wotano wone abakoma hema ana abusia panyi na rano mu a wono mu etu hene esi ahemfo ewo kwabedi kuro ni mu ediaba ekyerese efiri na di kuro yi wo hene owo kwabedi achemade na na twumba ma pew do na abonema ne se na nanti wonya hene biem wo mu ankasa atu no kyerɛ sɛ ne yɛ ne su ne ban ne nneɛma bi ɛsɛ bi wɔda na die no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ ɔhene nneɛma bi wɔn ma wɔtietie na nanom amammerɛ ne amanneɛ so wɔn fa amammerɛ nyɛ adwuma mpanyinfoɔ frɛ no wɔ ahene anim a na kyerɛ sɛ wɔabɔ wɔn mo agɔn ɛnyɛ deɛ obi abɛka kura no wɔtie ɛne nti no na kyerɛ sɛ ho hia sɛ wɔn mo tu no no mo pɛ nipa a wɔbɛtumi adi adeɛ no ama no wɔyɛ yie na ɛberɛ a na nanom ɛkasa no nana Matthew ba wɔno ɛna wɔkasaeɛ ne nsɛm a wɔde to dwa ebini
na beje ko na fia dua na mi sani oye be wo ma abufia no fia mi kwa nyina bu ojime ya ho re oye bibi o moya mane o si na aye ngwasi afọ mi nya sa jo kan je ndi ya bien tin ne entina eji aya ju se ni amanya ai no oye re wo hazi oje se na na kura ne mo fa o beje ko nya no o si e bo na anye re o so chiche bo fo lukura o ando bo ba o ti de no ya oye re o so de ani wa
Awusiawa abusuapanyini ya wano ewo kobedi atwemade na yete ne nka no nana Matthew ba na enwachi no abakoma hema ya wano ewo atwemade nana adwoa benewa wono so de kakra eto asosei
dan bentuno na message bentuno adetine na ano doctor osadefo oye di bibi ahemfie na antimantu ntumangu so anyere amma that means say babutu akondwa na otisa batunu enti mu ni tumi say mu betwitwa nsase me kan de ye ka e bia no bantie sesi ya me ka say no park ya bobo so ball wo do ayi akyeremade ha no park ni mu nyina batutwa basi dan wo ho eno achi no ahemfie na kyerɛ bi kan ameto yensa ma yebeba no ono susu ahemfie na ti nyina akyeremade ha ba 60 nyina dana wo ya ho hwe onyeye
Awusiawa ayabakoma hema ya wono ewo atwemade nana adwoa benewa ne yete ne nka no end point homeopathic clinic ni abusua kwa nakwaja ya hwehwe na wo ho entumi ento hye no nsakase bo no kwa komensa abrampa ana de besom ye afi end point homeopathic clinic say woje ayarehwe na wo kai se wo mo shell signboard ya Spinters Road kuma senso wo krono mabo hia wo kwa wo behwe kama wo he na ya wo ya wuti wo nan wo nsa wo kon ba bibia won mo hwedi ho dwuma fra 0244867068 0244 867068 ene mpanyifo eni enkomo na kasa na chwa mi no watani yensu kroje no ma ho ntobwe na party ase word and engagement outdoor and babia ye no nom kasa na chwa mi no water wo water fa ya Accra 0206 469430 0206469430 na wona mpanyifo kasa ha gianie eye aduane pafie no fufuo ana tilapia okro soup na tioza fi wachi die wo akpale ni nyina no ye bi papa panya senketo sof mo na pai 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. na yapon 0246 359 921 0246 359 abatan yi da bi ade ba kwa ya meka ne se wabofra no da na wonso nya kwan ya da sa akoda no ntumi na wada nwe aya na wokora na ho tete o na wo kire wo pa na wa cheke ya hwe dai pa wo de bo akoda no wo mo adwena koso won sansan bia ba begu ne ton prekese ama ne ton wa hyase ye tuntum kokko hwese dai pa no wo de bo akoda no ebe ye perfect baby diaper ebia na de odebo ne nyentia ena ma akora no wosusu wontumi nkanti san bia wo ye bia wonso wonte ene ti wohia perfect baby diaper fa bo akora no wate ema rashes bia megu no afei ema ne to no heat ma ho sakoba no so wodwonso kora gum ne mufa ema heat ma babia na himfiere wo no eboa nkoda na papa ma mutumi di akora sepa wo ho eda hate ma wonso ho to etumi ye wade wokomye ya wodo aye ton diapers a wonsa beka bi anasa free wo pendo motua 0531 099 889 0531 099 889 anasa 0303 957 965 where so ni yegina na time ho ye ba ye be kwa mono ni
21st Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho teche ma eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo o magine wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu ji international awards ahodo, wo mu ji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a 21st Clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsani fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wo nsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st Clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankopon reya what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass perfect service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yagrada Kusi if you are Danopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanunsia. Fawudani na Sheradensa na Erade Beye.
SOMPA TV Emma Akituapa.
I was here that was it tell we are quamanane. Na America man no wamo and talk why ya one musa ya afar. Iran ehwono ebusuan ya de se wo moda so ejinem wo mo de aba se one more hit 90 target ya wo muguso ada ehwe abomoden se ne be ya na mutu a one more ne Iran for 82 se wo mbe she Iran na one more sisi fire no ebetumi agina so reso ne agina ya den sem ne nyina da esi AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade boaten enemedi mene
ADWOA ASARE yadamu nyina se ama wo mo anitia adehye.
First Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase